my new toy, Doggy. Alright, so this is my doggy. Let's turn her on. We gotta make sure it connects to the iPad. So here you guys go. There we go, we're connected. And my dog is on. Okay, right now I'm in the dog spot. We're choosing colors. Subscribe if you want the light pink. Like if you want the dark pink. But we'll do both, because you should do both. Alright, for the tail, like for red, subscribe for teal. You should do both, so I'm gonna do red on the belly. And then we'll do purple on the feet for the first foot. And then the other foot, we'll do the other foot. So this is what the dog is gonna look like. Okay, so here is Yoshi. We have different accounts, but this is Yoshi. So if you boop her nose twice, she will show her name on her tail if you're not in this part. So I'm gonna click show off my looks, so she'll look like that. Boop. Here's what she looks like. Oh, there you go. And if you get hit by the tail, it doesn't hurt that much. Just stings for a little bit. So this is Yoshi. I'm gonna go to the accounts. So we have Yoshi and Rosie. I'm gonna make a new account for YouTube. Okay. We're gonna do a quiz with it. Pet head. You go. So cute. It says pet head. You know what? Let's get something to prop you guys up. Next it says press nose. Oh, I should show you guys on my iPad holder, Omar. Yes, I have an iPad holder, and it's a TY stuffy. It's so squishy and cute. Its name is Omar. Come on, girl. Yes, I know Omar is probably a boy name, but you know, you can be creative if you're a stuffy. Alright, sorry. Sorry, doggy. It says I pressed the nose. I didn't press the nose. It's doing it for me. Alright, guys. Let's prop you guys up on a box. Yeah, I just have the box laying around my house. So I'm making like a fort. I'll probably show you guys when that's done. Next, I have to play with the toy. So, where's the dog toy? Oh, here. So I got this in the mail today because I paid $56 for it. And put it on its nose because it's magnetic. We made a new account. Let's do a quiz. Okay. Would you rather be a guard dog or take a nap? Nap. Let's press its nose because it says you have to do things for it. So it says if you want nap, press its nose. If you want to do our dog, press your head. So we're going to do nap. So I'm going to press the nose. So subscribe for the nose. Okay. Press head for kisses or press nose for treats. I like kisses. It's not going to be picky. I'm actually picky in real life. I don't eat a lot of things. Pet head for chase or press nose for sniff. Okay, I would rather chase. I've already answered all these questions when I made Rosie's account. Chase. Let's pet the head. Well, she's more of a gentle dog, so sniff. But she does like chasing things, but she likes sniffing. Here. Would I rather sit in your lap or show off my tricks? Last time I did tricks, so I'm gonna do lap. So pet your head. Would I rather play or snuggle? Last time I did play, so I would do both. I'm technically both of them, but I normally play, so yeah. Ah. There you go. I don't know, when I'm recording it looks like this eye is green. It looks like this eye is bluer. But they're both green, okay? Right now they're both green. Okay, so play. I don't know why I have a rubber band. You're so cute. Your head for snuggle. My favorite place is pet head for home. Press nose for the park. Oh, I bet she wants to snuggle and play at home. And some people might say they're mean and they'll hit her, so she wants to stay at home. Most people will say she's cute though. She might go to the park sometimes. Oh, hearts on her tail. My favorite food is tasty food or yummy treats. Last time I did yummy treats, so I'm going to do that again because I really liked it. My personality is licky, picky, lazy, snuggly, and sweet. Aww. I would choose snuggly if I could. Pick me up by holding both sides of the body. Okay, now I get to name it. Okay, since this is the YouTube account that I'm going to use for you guys, I'm going to do, Stuffy. Yeah, I spell Stuffy by S-T-U-F-F-Y, but I think it's S-T-U-F-F-I-E, but I like to spell it like S-T-U-F-F-Y. Conform. Let's hear its bark. It was adopted. All the dogs were adopted today. Well, it's the same dog, but they have different accounts. Why am I holding this rubber band? Get out of here. Okay, it's activated, so we'll do a little play with it, and then we will do another episode, but this will not be in a playlist. So you guys will just have to find it on your own. Or you can just search Claire Bear Stuffy Squad Dog-E. It's really complicated, so I say Dog-E, but it's Dog-E. Where's that box? I'll show you. Door wide open, the garage door. Did you see leaving the door open? Yeah, my dad's talking to me, sorry. See if the door's open. Sorry guys, I had to do something. But see you in the next episode. You can just say Claire Bear Stuffy Squad Claire Bear Stuffy Squad Dog-E Part 2. You can just search that up because it's not going to be in a playlist. And the dog will end the video. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye, Stuffy. Bye. Oh. Silly. Bye. She's barking for real.